a massive wildfire in the Scottish Highlands near Canada has caused smoke that is visible from space according to satellite images from NASA. The fire has burned across 8 square kilometers of land. 2 firefighters were injured in an ATV crash while responding to the incident but have since been released from the hospital. The cause of the crash is under investigation. The Scottish Fire and Rescue Service had warned of a high risk of wildfires due to the warm weather. At the height of the fire, 9 appliances and a helicopter were mobilized to combat the blaze. Currently, 4 appliances and specialist resources remain at the scene. A wildfire warning is in place. Intel and the public has been urged to take precautions and avoid activities that could spark fires.